Now we're getting in a reaction from the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Mehbooba Mufti, who has rejected Farooq Abdullah's charges on stone pelters. If you remember, Farooq Abdullah had said that stone pelters are being paid by the PDP, and now it's the Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister who has broken her silence. She has spoken out. She's saying that first Farooq Abdullah praised pelters, and now he's saying it's the PDP who are paying them. Farooq is a confused man. Let's listen into the reaction.
फारूक साहब कहते हैं कि आज जो है पीडीपी की सरकार पत्थरबाजों को, लड़कों को, जवानों को पैसा दे रही है पत्थर मारने के लिए। तो मेरा ये मानना है कि खुद कुछ दिन पहले फारूक साहब ने कहा ये सारे नेशनलिस्ट हैं, तो आज वो उन्हीं नेशनलिस्ट को कहते हैं कि पीडीपी जो है उनको पैसा दे के पत्थर मरवा रही है। मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं फारूक साहब कंफ्यूज हैं।
Every stone pelter is not like this, so let's not generalize the situation. There are many stone pelters who are probably government paid to create situations so that people don't come out and vote. You have to investigate such things.
साहब ने जब इलेक्शन लड़ रहे थे, उन्होंने पत्थरबाजों को मूवमेंट के साथ जोड़ा, उनको इंस्टिगेट किया, और आज जो हालात बने हैं उसके लिए बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन जो है फारूक अब्दुल्ला साहब और उनकी पार्टी नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस का है, क्योंकि यही लोग हैं जो जमहूरियत की बात तो करते हैं लेकिन जमहूरियत को सफल होने के लिए जो है उसके कई प्रकार के अड़ंगे अड़ाते हैं।
Okay, Shuja ul Haq joins us with the very latest on this. Shuja, interesting that the Chief Minister finally breaking her silence, hitting out at Farooq Abdullah.
Like I was pointing out, it has become a huge war of words in the valley. Earlier, it was the national conference which had been coming up with statements slamming the government for its lack of approach and blaming the government for the fact that it is because of their lack of understanding and policy that the situation has come to the level where it is today. Now we see that the government has started, coming back and pointing fingers at the national conference, saying that when they were in power, what is it that they were doing at that point of time? So, like I was pointing out earlier, it has become a huge political, controversy in the state. And with this CRPF video coming forward and the series of other videos also coming up, the entire issue only seems to be becoming all the more controversial by every minute.
Indeed. Shuja, stay with me. Some more breaking news coming in.